This is a Razor SX500 Mark McGrath. Really nice bike, electric. Supposed to be 36 volt. I overvolted it to 48 volt for my son. So it's gonna go 33% faster than stock. And I put in 15 amp hour batteries instead of 12. So it's gonna go 25% further. But here's a little taste of 48 volts. Everything else on it is stock. And so he's 6 right now, about to be 7, but I can turn this down. I built a potentiometer. So you just turn this knob here, and I can slow down the machine to pretty much as slow as I want. Crank it up a little. So it still has a variable speed throttle. Even on the fastest setting, you can still go slow. It's just the potentiometer caps it out, so he can't go that fast. But I make these. Kind of see it in there.